CBFI's 30 tons tube ice plant project. Located in South Sulawesi province, Indonesia, where the climate is hot and rainy. CBFI designed a low-energy and high-yield edible tube ice factory based on the customer's site and local climate conditions. The equipment uses 3 German Bitzer compressors to ensure stability and increase production efficiency. The tube ice machine, supporting equipment, and ice contact parts are all made of 304 stainless steel material. This project uses manual packaging for tube ice. CBFI provides a user-friendly and durable double heat sealing, foot-operated sealing machine which reduces customer operating costs. After the ice is packaged, it is transported to a cold storage for temporary storage. CBFI's edible tube ice is highly praised by local customers. CBFI has been deeply involved in the refrigeration industry for more than 20 years, and its ice-making equipment has been sold to more than 170 countries and regions worldwide. CBFI provides a one-stop refrigeration solution for you.